How to retrieve archived emails in Gmail. How to do this on your computer. Open your browser and head to Gmail. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look for the More label on the left sidebar and click it to expand the menu. In the menu, look for the All Mail label and click on it. Here, Gmail stores all your emails, including the archived ones that are not in your regular inbox. To find a specific archived email, you can use the search bar at the top. Type in keywords related to the email you're looking for, and it should pop up. Now, let's switch gears to your mobile device. The steps are just as simple. Open your Gmail app. Make sure you're signed into the right account. Look for horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap on it. Scroll down in the menu and select All Mail. Just like on the PC, this folder contains all your mails, including the archived ones. If you need to find a particular email, use the search bar at the top. Enter the relevant keywords, and you should see it appear. And there you have it.